Batam Island is a small island developed in the industrial sector. Batam Island is very close to Singapore. However, road construction in Batam city is very good. There are 2 lines. Batam is developed by Batam Authority. Everywhere, roads are being developed on Batam Island, including the road to Barelang, where in Barelang there are 6 bridges. Let's just take a look.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me for who